Hello. Hi guys. Welcome back to the next session of SAP Workflow Training Series and thank you for choosing ZK Tutorials. So guys, in this session we will continue the last session only. So we have seen guys one issue with this workflow. I will show you by going to SBWP. So if I will go to the inbox and documents, you can see guys, sales order rejected, rejected, rejected. All of them are sales order rejected only. Even if you have clicked on this approved button also, still we are getting a mail with rejected button. Okay, I will show you again also. I will click on this execute button, go to this ITVBAK, VBELN, copy this and then go to execute. I will click on this approve button. So guys, what it should happen? It should receive a mail stating that your workflow has been sales order has been approved. This mail we should get, correct? Sales order has been approved. But what we are getting? We are getting a mail of sales order has been rejected. Okay, I will refresh it again. So you can see guys, one more sales order has been rejected. We have received a mail, this mail, correct? So I think there is some issues. So what is the issue guys? So what we have to do to come out of this issue? Look, we are executing this. Let me execute it once again. I will click on this VPLN. Now you can see if I will click on this execute button. So this is my screen. From this form screen, I want to get a data. I want to get this approve X button, give back it to the from this module pool screen. I want to give this screen back to the 1 second. Yeah, I want to give it back to the workflow. Look, workflow log only. I will show you. Look, guys, we have clicked on rejected only. Look, from this workflow part, we want to get X over here as we have written the condition. If it is a X, then it will be approved. Correct? That's why what is happening, it is used for display only. We are not changing anything, any value from here. So what it is doing is, guys, I will go back. Uh, I will click on this X. Okay, sorry, change sales order approved. Will go there. You can see we want X. We are expecting X there into the indicator. But what it is happening, guys, it is not changing anything on this on our workflow. So you can see we have created this as a display. Okay, so we don't have to change anything on the code level or on the module pool screen. We just have to change the type of the form. 1 second, guys. It's taking too much time. Give me a minute. Let me log in again. Someone is using my system. Wait a minute. SWDD. Okay. So I will go to this display sales order. You can see we have selected the XNS display. So it is just displaying. It is not changing anything in the workflow. Correct? I will say it as a change. I don't have to change anything at the code level or at the module pool screen. I will just say it as a change. I will click on this continue button. Make sure to save, check and activate the workflow again. Okay, check this and then finally activate this. Okay, I will just go there, execute this, go to this VBLN. I will go to this sales document and I will just click on this execute button. You can see guys, this is my screen. Can you like figure out some difference between this screen and this screen display form? This is my display form screen and this is my change form. So we want to send back the value of X back to the workflow. We have to save it. So this is a change form. You can see this save and exit button differences between this and this display form. Correct? So this is what we are going to do. Now what I will do is, guys, I will just click on this approve button and then I will click on this save and exit. If I will go to the guys graphical workflow log, you can see what is the step now, guys. Look, display sales order, change sales document. Now it's got approved. Wow. I will go back. I will go to the business workplace. Okay, I will go to the inbox, go to document. You can see, guys, we got a receive mail stating that your sales order has been approved. So this is what we have to do. Look, guys, if we just want to display the data, just go with the forms display. Yeah, it's stating that. But if we want some value to be changed from the form screen, like taking back to the workflow, then we will go with the change form. Okay, so this is what all about this workflow, guys. Okay, one more thing I want to show you, how can you debug this? Okay, I will go to this change mode. No need of change mode, also you can go to display mode. Okay, go to flow logic. Okay, and I will click on this debugger, go back, I put it the breakpoint. Okay, I will just go back again, go to execute. Okay, and I will give the value to the ITVBAK VBLN. I will give a value here. Then click on this execute button. I will click on this approve. Okay, you can see debugger is opening. So whatever the code we have written, we can see, like whatever the values are coming, you can see save ucom is approved now. Okay, we can change it over here also, same debugging also we can test it with this. Okay, so guys, this is all about these forms. Okay, I hope till here everything is clear to everyone. Okay, so we will see more example about forms in our coming up session, guys. Okay, so I hope this one is clear to everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining. Have a good day. Bye bye.